My dear friend, you have big dreams, but some days you just don't have the energy to chase them. You say, I will start tomorrow, but then tomorrow never really comes, does it? You want to do something amazing, but starting feels heavy like moving a mountain. You think about writing that book, or getting fit, or learning something new, but then you end up just scrolling on your phone or watching Netflix again. Why does this happen? It's not because you're forever lazy. It's not because you don't care. It's because the task feels too big. And when something feels too hard, your brain says, let's do something easier instead. But here is the good news, you can change this. Yes, you can. Laziness is not who you are, it's just a habit. And habits, my dear friend, can change. Think about how many times you have stopped before starting just because the goal felt too big. You want to save money, but the idea of cutting back on everything feels painful. You want to get healthy, but running every day sounds exhausting, right? See, it is not your fault. Your brain is just trying to protect you. It avoids discomfort and chases comfort. But listen to me carefully. You can outsmart your own brain. Here is how. 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so make them tiny. You want to write a book? Don't think about 200 pages. Just write one sentence today. That's it. One step at a time. Like climbing a mountain, you don't leap to the top. You take one small step, then another, and that's how you rise. Same with learning a skill. Want to play guitar? Don't try to learn a full song. Just practice one chord today. Small wins feel good, and over time they build something big. Step number 2. Create simple routines. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but routines, they stay. For example, you want to exercise? Put your shoes by your bed tonight. Then when you wake up, it's easy to begin. Think of routines like little helpers. They guide you until effort becomes natural. So ask yourself, what's one tiny routine I can start today? Maybe it's writing a to-do list in the morning or drinking a glass of water right after wake up. These small actions create structure, and structure brings momentum. Step number 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is always starting, but once you begin, it gets easier. So tell yourself, I'll do this for just 2 minutes. Want to read? Read one page. Want to clean? Tidy one corner. Just give it a little push, like a ball at the top of a hill. Then let momentum carry you. I'll give you one bonus tip as well. Reward yourself for starting. After those 2 minutes, smile. Play a favorite song. Take a short break. Feel proud. Why? Because starting is everything. Remember this, my friend. Everyone starts small. Even the great ones. They were stuck too, but they didn't quit. They just kept going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Think of your dream like a little spark. Every small action you take, it's like adding fuel. Keep adding fuel. And one day you will see a fire burning bright inside you. So tell me, what small step will you take today? It's okay to fail. Everyone does. But what matters is getting up again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the part of the path. So please, be gentle with yourself and keep walking with me. Let's keep this simple, my friend. 1. Make your tasks small and easy. 2. Build routines that help you. 3. Start with just 2 minutes. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Pick one thing. Take one step today. Your dreams are waiting. And when I'm walking beside you, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even small efforts, if done regularly, can change everything. But remember, nothing changes if you don't act. So let this moment be the one. Let's begin together. And watch this to start taking action today. Your dear friend, Krishna. For the Mystic Circle and our WhatsApp community, check the description below.